Oh, you are happy and are taking a selfie. You smile, strike a pose, and take the photo. But as you capture the moment, your fingertips may inadvertently enter the frame. Now, do you realize how that can be used against you? How this one selfie that you posted to your social media can turn your life upside down? Well, what you might not realize is that with the power of advanced algorithms, high-quality images of your fingerprints can be extracted directly from that photo. There is a new technology that can extract your fingerprints from photos with remarkable precision and detail. This development poses significant risks, as it allows hackers to replicate your fingerprints and potentially use them for various fraudulent activities. This development introduces a new dimension to our online privacy concerns. Once hackers have access to your fingerprints, the potential for misuse is alarming. They could digitally replicate your prints and use them to unlock your phone, access sensitive information, or even gain entry to secure locations protected by biometric security systems. This kind of unauthorized access can lead to a range of cybercrimes, such as bank fraud, where criminals could use your fingerprints to authorize transactions or access your financial accounts. Moreover, hackers can perform SIM card fraud by using your fingerprints to bypass authentication processes and gain control of your phone number. This allows them to intercept one-time passcodes sent to your phone, giving them access to your online banking and other important accounts. Additionally, biometric fraud could occur if criminals use your fingerprints to manipulate systems that rely on biometric authentication, such as passports or access control systems. Given these risks, it's essential to take measures to protect your privacy. Start by being mindful of how you position your hands in selfies. Avoid showing your fingertips clearly. You can also use filters to blur out sensitive areas in your photos, minimizing the risk of fingerprint extraction. As technology continues to advance, it's crucial to stay vigilant and adapt to emerging threats. Be cautious about what you're sharing in your selfies and take proactive steps to protect your identity. After watching this video, why not go through your feed and check if you posted any such images? It's always better to be safe than sorry. Stay safe and happy posting.